Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to stop Facebook announcing birthday. So, let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone and log in to your account if you haven't already. Tap on your profile picture or your name to go to your profile page. On your profile page, tap on the Edit Profile button. Scroll down and tap on Edit Your About Info. Scroll down to the Basic Info section and tap on Edit next to it. Here you can change who can see your birthday. Tap on the Audience selector. It might say Public, Friends, etc., and select Only Me to keep your birthday private. After selecting Only Me, tap on Save to make sure your changes. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.